Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to reviewing the WaterBlitz pressure washer by Qinux. And as you can see right here, it is a very small water pressure. It's just a similar size to a hose nozzle. And as you can see, something so small like this couldn't output that strong of a water pressure from the looks of it, since it is very small and is very impossible to generate such energy from this small thing. So as you can see right here, we have it pulled up on malware tips, and as you can see, this product claims to boost your hose pressure up to 15 times, save water, energy, and effort, delivering professional grade cleaning with zero electricity. And number one, right off the bat, they say that it is physics defining, and they have physics defining claims. Claiming to increase your water pressure 15 times without a powered pump is simply impossible. Water pressure from your hose is determined by your municipal supply or well system, not the nozzle. While the nozzle can focus flow to make the stream more narrow or sharp, it cannot physically amplify the pressure. So yeah, that's backed up by science, since how can you increase the pressure just by making the hole smaller? And yeah, so false efficiency messaging, misleading before and after images, fake scarcity and timed offers, excessive markups on a generic product, shady checkout practices, no legitimate brand presence, and a lot more. So we actually have it here on Scam Advisor, and WaterBlitz.com is rated 16 out of 100, since this website doesn't have many visitors. We identified popular products frequently sold by scammers. We found several negative reviews. Determined this website is very young, and this website has only been registered recently. So please avoid this product. I mean, you can buy this product, but just don't expect that it will increase your water pressure by up to like 15%, since you would need a pump for that. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.